Hey guys, we're at the river again this evening, gonna do some cooking. The river has gone down. Gonna head down there and see if we can catch a fish real quick. Let's see if you do like I did last time and cast straight up in a tree. Nope, much better. Got me a white bass on. This line, 6-pound line. I guess I'm just gonna try to pull him up the bank.
Oh, 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 mule.
Oh yeah. There's fish in the river. Another white bass. Oh, he got off. He got off, but that means I don't have to drag him up the bank. Here's some of the food we're looking at for this afternoon or this evening. Barry's gonna do some stuffed jalapenos. In that green bag, we've got bell peppers. We've got these skewers. We're gonna do some deer meat and shrimp. And we're gonna do fajitas, right?
Yeah.
We got that skillet there. We're gonna do some fajitas as well. The meat we're using is deer meat, marinated. What all's in that marinade?
Worcester sauce and Cavenders.
Worcester sauce and Cavenders. Any soy sauce?
No.
Cream cheese, bacon. So that's how you do it. You don't double it up. It's just like that.
Well, they get done a little faster if you don't double it up.
All right.
A lot of times, and my mom, she does it this way. I've always done it the other way, but
All right. What do you got? Onion, shrimp, potato. Looks good. Deer meat. I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna get started a little early. Skillet there. We're gonna be, or he's gonna be cooking some fajitas. Show you what we got going over here. Got those things. We got the basting brush right here. Put a little bit of oil on there so the seasoning would stick. Then poured some seasoning on there. I don't know if that's enough seasoning, but it's a start anyways. Right off the grill. Excellent. That deer meat was so good I had to throw another piece on, and that's probably some of the best grilled deer meat I've had. Just the Worcester sauce and Cavenders. Some more of that fire cooked deer meat right there. I've already taken a bite of it, but like I say, that is very, very good. Check that out. So there's the fajita meat that he cooked in the skillet. Now he's got a tortilla and some cheese. He's just heating it up right there on the fire on some coals. He's also got the rest of the deer meat cooking there. We got a new nickname for Barry, Chef. Looks good. That fajita meat right there, he had marinated it in a liquid fajita marinade. I just tried just a small piece of it, and I believe the flavor of that is restaurant quality. That's good. This is the plate I'm going to get started with. Looks pretty good. I've been pretty lazy on this trip. I hadn't done any cooking. Barry's got sweat rolling off his face. That fire's pretty hot.